Okay. Namaste to all. Myself Ramesh Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of APM from Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Bombay University, Jaipur. So today our session is train functions. So it is very clear. You know train function. What is train? Train means what? Train means to assist the private data members. Suppose A and B are two persons and A is something, A belongs to some things, then we cannot access of the data member A. So to use the data member of A, we will have to make the friend of A, that is class of A. This is a similar way, programming concept has been used. The friend function are not the member function of the class, but still they are able to access the private member of the class. Okay. Meaning that the friend function are not the member function of the class. member function का friend function जो है member function का class का member function नहीं है, but still they are able to access the private data member of the class. लेकिन फिर भी private data member class के जो private data member है उसको access कर सकता है कौन? friend function. The general form of defining the friend function is friend, return type, function name, argument. This is the general function. Friend, you write here friend, return type, whatever you may use here, whatever function का नाम and argument list. The friend function when defined outside the class definition, we don't have to specify the class name. Okay, here the word clear. The friend function when defined outside the class definition, तो outside के class definition के बाहर जब define हो, we don't have to specify the class name. class name को specify करना जरूरी नहीं होता है. So we will understand with the help of example. This is the program has include iostream.h, onio.h class sample, int I is j. So here int I is the data member of the class sample, and now public void set I j member function. This is the member function of the class. This is public and data member is private. Friend void max. This is the general form of the friend function. Friend void max sample. So the name of the friend function is max. Sample with the arguments, and this here closes the class. So in next slides, void sample. This is a scope resolution operator. Set ij. Here we set two values I and j. Cout indent, enter the value of I and j. Cin I j. Close. Void max. The function name is max. Sample ob. Here we pass the value sample ob, and if ob dot I greater than ob dot j, if ob dot I greater than ob dot j, cout indent maximum. If ob I dot greater than ob j, cout indent maximum is maximum j. Here the condition check if ob dot I greater than ob dot j, so the maximum value of ob dot I is ob dot j. Okay, void main. Here we create sample ob dot set I j, max ob semicolon. When we call member function, we have to call it with the help of the object of the class. When we call a member function, the member function call करते हैं, we have to call it with the help of the object of the class. तो क्लास के ऑब्जेक्ट के द्वारा हम उसे कॉल करते हैं. ओके, The general form is object dot object name dot of member function argument list. While we can call the friend function directly, but we have to pass the object in which we want to perform the operation as the argument of the function. Friend function name object name semicolons. So this is the way friend function directly. While we can call the friend function directly, but we have to pass the object in which we want to perform the operation as argument to the functions. Friend function, another use of this is a simple. When the data member is private, and friend function use the private data member of the class. Another use of friend function, the friend function will be used to access the member of two or more classes. I am telling that friend function है दो या दो से ज़्यादा क्लासेस के मेंबर है उनको भी एक्सेस करने के काम में लेते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ फ्रेंड फंक्शंस. So again I am telling that friend function use more than three more than three के डेटा मेंबर को एक्सेस दे सकता है. क्लास A, क्लास B, सेमीकोलन एडवांस डिक्लेरेशन, we have to declare advanced declaration class A int I public void set I int A I equal to A friend void find max A B semicolon class B int J public void set J int B friend void max friend void find max A B semicolon void find max A O B 1 comma B O B 2 if O B 1 dot I greater than O B 2 dot J maximum O B 1 dot I is maximum O B 2 dot J. Okay, this is the void main A O B 1 dot set I 61 semicolon O B B O B 2 semicolon O B 2 dot set A 76 find max O B 1 comma O B 2 semicolon get CH semicolons. Another use of the friend function. The friend function will be used to access the member of two or more classes. Okay, so at once this is again class A int I public, this is again void set int A I equal to A friend void find max A B class B int J public void set A int B J equal to B friend void find max A B void find max A O B 1 and if we check if O B 1 dot greater than O B 1 dot I greater than O B 2 dot J C out in the maximum equal to O B 1 dot I is C out in the maximum O B 2 dot J void main A O B 1. This is a simple way we create a object of the class A O B 1 and we pass the value in O B 1 set I 67 B O B 2 B O B 2 dot set J 76 find max O B 1 O B 2. Okay, so this is all about friend function. I think you all clear about friend function, what is friend functions. So thank you to all. I think you like my videos, so share it more and more, subscribe and comment my videos. Thank you to everyone. We will meet in next lecture.